All right, we gotta hurry up and turn this thing on.
Yeah.
Do you know how to work it?
No.
Earlier you said you've done this before.
Yeah, I came up here once when Martinez turned it on, but I never said I turned it on.
There's gotta be a switch around here somewhere. How old is this damn thing?
Are you flipping the switch on?
Of course I flipped the switch on.
It's not working, see?
You could try banging on it.
You want me to bang on the bat signal? That's the stupidest idea I'd ever heard. Come on, you stupid thing!
Isn't there another way we can get a hold of him?
It's 2025. Batman doesn't have a cell phone?
I heard Batman doesn't like cell phones. He wants to be discreet.
Yeah, like turning on this big light for everyone in Gotham City to see is discreet. It doesn't make any sense. All the bad guys know he's coming. Well, I don't know how to turn this damn thing on. Batman's just gonna have to watch the news to figure out we need help.
You could try plugging it in.
You saw I was unplugged the entire time? And you didn't say anything?
You never asked.
Just plug the damn thing in. Not in my eyes!
Thanks for watching. Check out more videos. Leave a comment if you like the video. And don't forget to subscribe.